Hello, Assalamu alaikum, good morning, good evening, from wherever you're watching, according to your time. So today we will be unboxing Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. That is another episode for Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. This, let me have a disclaimer, this is not a paid video, not a promotion video, and it's only for education purpose plus a first user experience and also an expert user experience, how the feel will how I will feel and the phone will look like. And by the way, there's no fancy noise, music or anything, because I don't believe that if somebody is buying or unboxing a phone there is a lot of noise and surrounding going around them. So before further any ado, let's go and start our unboxing. I got my pack here from an online store, which is long river somewhere in American continent. So let's go and do the unboxing. Let's see what is in my package and we will let you know. And what do we have? So let's see, what do we have here? Okay. This is Mr. Meme food. So Mr. Meme, you gotta wait. And also this is Mr. Meme food. You gotta wait, Mr. Meme. And another one, Mr. Meme food. Okay, so where's my mobile? Okay, I got it here. And let's see, what do we have here? So let's start with the phone unboxing. As you can see here in the box, it is a cream color, so that seems I ordered the same phone. And some technical specification, okay, I will tell something to you. This phone, actually I was looking for this phone, I found multiple option with the size 256 GB, 512 and so on. But one thing was really surprising me, that there is this phone S22 Ultra come with the 8 GB ROM and 12 GB ROM. So for those who don't know what is ROM do, ROM is read only memory, and for you just to explain to you what is the difference between ROM and your internal storage. So the primary memory is like this. If you ask me something, I have it in my hand, I give it to you. And for the secondary memory, if you ask something, then let's say I'm going to put it in my pocket and get it out. It's just like this much delay. Of course, it's not scientifically measured how fast and how slow it will be, but once you have your phone with a good ROM, then it means that you can have things loaded faster, or once it's loaded it will stay, or you can load multiple applications or things or games or whatever you like to play with your mobile, it will be staying there. And you may not have a lot of latency as compared to phone with a high ROM. Let's say if you have 8 GB ROM and you have 12 GB ROM. So of course, better the bigger the ROM, the better it is. So Bismillah, let's start with the phone unboxing. But before I do unboxing, let's do our flip test. If it's, and you know, I like to do the flip test, so let's check. Okay, cool. You may be asking, I uploaded a recent video, not a recent, but before like 11 months ago, I unboxed Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and I was using it for a while. But unfortunately, this phone fall down from my trouser around like 50 centimeter, half a meter, and it was having even arm casing on the back, but it landed on the screen side and it had a crack on the screen in the middle. So I have to retire that phone, and really I was surprised and not that happy that from such a short distance a screen can be broken. And of course, once you these smartphones, once the screen is broken, believe me, their values just like 80 to 90% down. If you want to repair them, it's gonna cost you much, and then it's not worth it at my point of view that you're gonna go repair them and change the screen, while you can add some little bit money and go on. Okay, for this phone I bought it like 3,200 Saudi Riyal, which is maybe equivalent to like 820 30 Riyal, a dollar, American dollar roughly. So let's start without any further delay. Let's go and do the unboxing. Let me check if the seal of this phone is intact. Yeah, it seems like intact. So let's go and start. Come on. Okay, what do we have here? Business as usual. Okay, nice. We have a SIM ejector, or you may call it prefer to SIM changer. We have a cable, USB-C and USB-C from both sides, and a manual. Okay, still I do not feel or have a lot of sensation sound playing around in my ears, but let's see. So I'll put it back here. You take aside Mr. Box, and this is the phone. I'm not sure. Okay, this is the same cream color. I had it, and okay, it's look nice. Let's remove the peel off the skin. Okay, I'll park you for a while. Meanwhile, back to you. I'm not sure if this is a only protective case or skin or just a privacy skin. I don't believe that this mobile gonna be having a charge, because this model is almost was like released in February 2023, almost like a year since this model has been released. But let's go and start. But before we start, let me install a SIM in this phone. I have already my SIM ready, so let us go. We have a SIM changer. We're gonna push it here, and the SIM will eject. Now it seems to have two SIMs, so you can install two SIM in this phone. And by the way, there's something fancy, something is coming up like called eSIM, so we can utilize this one as well. So technically you can have a 3 SIM, one eSIM and 2 physical SIM installed in this mobile. It's a micro, so I have already micro SIM, and if you see the hinges and the hinges cut over here, so it seems that it's gonna be fitting this side. Okay, let's insert our SIM. I believe I have to connect a charger because it may not have do not have a sufficient charge. So Bismillah, and Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. As I was expecting that it may not have enough charge. Oh, it still have 53% charge. Nice. By the way, I do not feel much difference between S22 and S23 Ultra. Seems like to me the same size, screen, and the same curved edges. And you see here, it's a nice shiny thing with the 5 cameras. Of course, we're not gonna go with a lot of specification what camera we have or not. Just like unboxing and just initial startup. So United Kingdom, no, I'm not gonna select the English. United States, and start, and user license agreement, privacy details, sending of, no, I don't want to send optional data. And if I select agree to all, it will select the sending diagnostic data, but I don't want, and for me that's okay. It's up to you, your choice, whatever type of privacy and privileges you want application to access your mobile. So let's agree. Okay, easy setup with another